This is Milko Sports Basketball 25 under school base semifinals. A battle between University of the Philippines versus National University. Russell with the board shooting. That is good para dito. Russell Ogana to James Payosing. Drop pass from RB Puyos. RB Puyos take the three. Yes, sir. Then 3 points from RB Puyos. Pass to Troy Palanca to Russell Ogana. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Russell wide open for 3. Yes, sir. Then 3 points from Russell Ogana. To James Payosing. Balik dito kay RB. To BJ Pre with a fake. BJ Pre with the left-handed layup. And 2 points from BJ Pre. 7-point lead para dito sa National University. Another steal from RB Puyos. Russell Ogana. Fake drop pass from BJ Pre off the glass. Pass to Macalfanta. Balik kay Jed. Macalfanta. Drop pass from Zed Solomon off the glass. There's a block coming from BJ Pre. Jed locks in to Macalfanta. Balik agad dito kay Jed. Inside with the floater shot, then no good. BJ Pre with the rebound. Pass to James Payosing. James Payosing attack off the glass and a basket count from James Payosing. And foul number 19, Mark Alfanta. Laconsay to Vince Reyes. Balik dito kay Nathaniel Tolabut. There's a steal coming from James Payosing. James Payosing inside and a basket counted from James Payosing. A bonus shot from James Payosing. Lucky bounce, then no good. Another offensive rebound coming from James to Russell Ogana. Pull-up jumper for 2. Then basket yan para dito Russell Ogana. Vince Reyes. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 1-on-1 with Joshua Coronel. There's a steal coming from Russell. Russell attack with a layup and 2 points from Russell Ogana. Dwayne pass to Nathaniel Tolabut. Mabibitawan ng bola. RB Puyos with a save. RB to James Payosing. That's good para dito kay James Payosing. Then Saimal National University. Okay, back to the ball game para sa ating third quarter. Another steal coming from James Payosing. There's a foul para dito kay Dwayne Miranda. James Payosing wide open with a free layup and 2 points para dito kay James Payosing. James Payosing. Drop pass from LA off the glass. Then 2 points from LA and Dress. A 2-point lead para dito sa UP Fighting Maroons. Balik dito kay Vince Reyes. Mabibitawan. Russell Ogana. Russell Ogana attack off the glass and 2 points from Russell Ogana. 45 seconds left para sa ating third quarter. A 4-point lead para sa UP. And there's a check. Odudo with a steal. Pass replay from James Payosing. James Payosing inside off the glass. That is good from James Payosing. Edson Serrano to Zed Solomon. Mabibitawan ang bola. Russell Ogana. Pass break po. Mitonas panahon. to James Payosing with a fake off the glass and 2 points para dito kay James Payosing. Jed Locsin with the rebound. Pass replay from Nathaniel to Labot. Inside, there's a block. Coming from Palanca. To Rocco Melecor. Pass to Troy Palanca. The pass from James Payosing. Inside pull up and 2 points from James Payosing. Jed Locsin to Mark Alfanta. Mark Alfanta take the 3. No good. And that's the end of our game. University of the Philippines wins